income that comes in without active work. The phrase brings to mind dreams of financial freedom, relaxing by the beach, and money flowing in even while you catch some Z's. For many, it's become the ultimate dream, a life away from the hustle of a 9-to-5 job, where your income comes in smoothly. But here's the reality. While passive income is a fantastic tool for building wealth, a lot of what you've heard about it might be misunderstood, oversimplified, or just plain incorrect. Did you know that more than 80% of folks pursuing passive income think it's a simple route to wealth? It's important to recognize that many of these beliefs are based on misunderstandings that can really hinder people or lead to letdowns. Building passive income is all about having a solid strategy, being patient, and putting in the effort. It's not just about taking shortcuts or relying on luck. In this video, we're excited to clear up the top 8 misconceptions about passive income that might be holding you back from reaching your financial goals. You'll discover the truth behind these myths and receive helpful advice from financial experts to support you in creating real, sustainable income streams. If you're excited to turn your dreams into reality and build a future of financial independence, you've come to the perfect spot. Let's jump right in. Misconception number 1, passive income needs minimal effort. Lots of folks see passive income as a super easy way to build wealth. Building passive income streams really does require a good amount of effort at the start and some ongoing attention as time goes on. It's similar to nurturing a garden, getting the soil ready, sowing seeds, giving it water, and caring for it consistently. Whether you're writing an ebook, managing rental properties, or creating an online course, it's all about investing your time, energy, and a bit of strategy. Once you're set up, it's important to tweak and enhance your income streams to ensure they stay strong and profitable. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, shares, "To build wealth, you must put in the hard work to create assets." Passive income isn't just an easy way out. It's a wonderful reward for your hard work and dedication. Owning rental properties involves managing tenants, taking care of repairs, and making sure the property stays profitable. Just like that, running an online business involves keeping products fresh, looking at trends, and connecting with customers. Even though passive income can lighten the daily grind compared to a 9-to-5 job, it's important to remember that it's not entirely hands-off. By acknowledging the effort involved, you can take a realistic approach to passive income, making sure your hard work contributes to a dependable, long-lasting financial base. Misconception number 2, passive income is a quick way to get rich. While the idea of rapidly building wealth can be quite motivating, it's important to remember that passive income isn't a shortcut to riches. Creating meaningful passive income streams takes time and careful planning. It takes a bit of determination, a dash of patience, and steady effort as time goes on. For example, dividend stocks might take quite some time to grow into meaningful returns, and online businesses frequently run at a loss before they start making a profit. Warren Buffett once shared a great piece of wisdom. Wealth is the transfer of money from the impatient to the patient. His words emphasize the value of prioritizing sustainable growth over seeking immediate rewards. Imagine passive income as constructing a lovely brick wall. Every little action, be it an investment, a new product, or a marketing effort, contributes another brick. As time goes by, these bricks come together to form a strong structure that offers financial security. People who achieve their goals know that it's all about making consistent, small steps forward. Even though it might not bring the excitement of quick outcomes, passive income provides a sense of security and benefits over time. By keeping an eye on the bigger picture, you can create financial streams that stand the test of time. Misconception number 3, you don't need a lot of money to start. One of the biggest barriers to entry in building passive income is the common misconception that you need a lot of money to get started. This misunderstanding holds back a lot of folks from chasing after great opportunities. Honestly, passive income can begin on a small scale and expand as time goes on. Today's tools and platforms have really simplified the process of entering the market with very little upfront investment. David Bach, the author of The Automatic Millionaire, shares some friendly advice. Start small, but start now. Even small investments can turn into significant returns if you stay consistent and plan wisely. For instance, digital products such as ebooks or online courses only need a computer and a bit of creativity to kick things off. Fractional investing lets people buy shares of stocks or real estate for as little as $100 using platforms like Robinhood or Fundrise. There are other options like affiliate marketing or print-on-demand services that allow you to earn income with minimal financial risk. Starting small is the way to go. Reinvest your earnings and watch your efforts grow over time. Taking action today, even if you have limited resources, can help you create income streams that grow steadily and lead to financial independence in the future. Misconception number 4. Passive income involves minimal risk. It's a common belief that passive income streams come with low risk. Every income source has its unique challenges and uncertainties, and that's just part of the journey. Real estate investments can sometimes encounter market downturns, uncooperative tenants, or unexpected repair costs. Just like that, online businesses rely on trends, algorithms, and platforms that can change unexpectedly, which might impact their profitability. Sue Zorman, financial advisor, highlights, "It's not about eliminating risk, it's about understanding and managing it." Diversification is your best friend for protection. To reduce risk, it's important to have a variety of income sources. Counting on just one source can make you a bit exposed to outside shifts, like market downturns or platform issues. Why not mix things up a bit? You could combine different streams like real estate, digital products, and investments that pay dividends. Keeping yourself updated and watching your streams helps you be ready for any changes that come your way. Risk is a natural part of any financial journey, but with good management and preparation, you can really lessen its effects, making the pursuit of passive income a rewarding adventure. Misconception number 5, no responsibilities. Once it's all set up, lots of people think that once you set up a passive income stream, it just keeps going on its own forever. Even though passive income can lessen the need for ongoing effort, it definitely still comes with its own set of responsibilities. Keeping an eye on changes in markets, consumer behaviors, and technology is essential to ensure your streams stay profitable. Ramit Sethi, the author of I Will Teach You to Be Rich, shares some great insights. Automation doesn't mean neglect. Even the most laid-back systems need a little attention and occasional updates. For example, a rental property might need some repairs, tenant management, and market adjustments to keep it profitable. Just like that, an online course or digital product may require some updates to keep it fresh and competitive. Passive income offers more flexibility compared to a traditional job, but keeping up with it helps ensure that your hard work keeps rewarding you. By viewing your income streams as lively systems that grow and change, you'll unlock their full potential and ensure they operate seamlessly for many years ahead. Misconception #6, passive income is only about investments. Lots of folks think of passive income as just traditional investments such as stocks and real estate. These are great methods, but there are definitely other options out there too. Digital products, affiliate marketing, and content creation are great options that need just a little financial investment, but a lot of creativity and effort. Gary Vaynerchuk, entrepreneur and author, shares, "Use the internet as your leverage. Turn your skills, hobbies, or passions into exciting ways to earn some extra income. For instance, creating and selling an ebook, designing templates for platforms like Canva, or developing an online course can lead to ongoing income. Affiliate marketing gives content creators the chance to earn commissions by making referrals. And print-on-demand services help artists make money from their designs. These avenues are available for anyone who has creativity and a desire to learn. By exploring some unique methods, you can diversify your passive income streams and find opportunities that match your skills and interests. Misconception number 7. Passive income will quickly take the place of your full-time job. It's a common belief that passive income can instantly take the place of your salary, but this idea can be a bit misleading. Many income streams start off small, needing steady effort and reinvestment to blossom into something significant. It's a gradual journey that requires a bit of patience and some thoughtful planning for the future. Tony Robbins shares a great reminder. Success is the result of consistent actions taken daily, not massive leaps made overnight. At first, your passive income might look a bit small, just $10 here and $50 there, but don't worry, those little amounts really add up as time goes on. Putting your returns back to work helps your streams grow, eventually leading to a dependable source of income. It's important to remember that expecting immediate results might bring some frustration. Think of passive income as a nice extra that builds up over time, allowing you to enjoy more freedom and lessen your dependence on a regular job. By setting realistic expectations and staying committed, you'll reach financial independence one step at a time. Misconception number 8. Passive income needs special skills. Many people think that creating passive income needs some fancy technical skills or special knowledge. While some projects thrive on specialized knowledge, many opportunities depend more on a readiness to learn and adapt than on technical skills. Chris Gilbo, author of The $100 Startup, shares, "You don't need a degree or technical background to create something valuable. What's important is having the drive to begin and to get better along the way." For instance, starting a blog, launching an affiliate marketing channel, or making a digital product doesn't need any coding skills or advanced knowledge. Platforms such as WordPress, Shopify, and Canva are super user-friendly, making it a breeze for beginners to get their projects off the ground. Tutorials and online courses offer friendly, step-by-step guidance for anyone eager to spend some time learning. Begin with what you already know. Make the most of the resources at your disposal and develop your skills as you go along. With a little determination and a sense of wonder, anyone can build successful passive income streams.